Everybody, thanks for checking out our video today here at the Auto Connect. We have a 2014 Audi Q5 Premium Plus, 95,000 miles, one owner, really clean car inside and out. I'll show you just a couple of little issues here. Rear bumper just has a little bit of paint wear. There is a dent here above this light, but besides that, and then also here on this corner panel, a little bit of paint fade, but besides that, she's in great shape. Interior is mint condition, like new. Again, this is a one owner. We just serviced it. Navigation, backup camera, heated seats, Bluetooth. You can see the seats are like brand new. Panoramic roof. Push button start. So 95,983 miles for a startup. If this is something you might be interested in, definitely give us a holler, 228-438-2056. You can call us or text us. Check out more of our inventory at www.theautoconnectllc.com. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you have any Audi, Volkswagen, Porsche, or other foreign and domestic vehicles, we also have a service center. So give us a holler. We'll hook you up. Appreciate it.